Hello everyone, today we're going to go over trend-based Fibonacci extension. Last time we talked about Fibonacci retracement and show how retraced can be bought or sold to get better price than previous move. Now we want to determine how far move we entered might go. So let's begin. You have learned that mainly catch retracement in discount zone or at 0.5 Fibonacci level. Now we want to see where we could sell what we bought at much higher prices, and we are interested in how far this move could go. First, I want to show you my options. You can copy it. It's 1, 1618, 2618, 1382, 1272, and 18. Okay, first we need to find first wave and retrace. In this case, you use Fibonacci trend from low to high to the retrace, and you will have following zones. Rejection mostly occur in this zone 1.618 and 13821. If this move is extended, it can go further to 2.618. Just as you were buying over there, now you are selling. You don't have to do it all at once because you can't know exactly how far this price will go. So you will take one sell order in this point, second over there, and third. Why is done this way? Because just when you buying, we had multiply orders over there. We also need to have multiply sell orders. Why? Let's say you will sell all your profit at 1618 and price makes something like this and you miss the profit. If price makes something like that, again you sold everything at 1.618 and you miss this entire move. So you can put one sell order 1382, second sell order 1.618, and third in this case 2.618. In downside it's similar. First you need to wait for retrace. You take Fibonacci retrace, high to low in downside. Now premium is above 0.5. You have again multiply orders. And let's say it's end over there. Now you can delete this. You take trend-based Fibonacci extension, high to low to the retrace. And again we can see where it can go. Let's say first order is 1.382, second 1.618, and third 2.618. First order over there. If price makes something like this, again you take something, maybe not full profit, but you have something. If price makes something like that, you have two order, and if something like this, you have all this extension move. I would like to show you an example where we can see how to determine in both ways. Using trend Fibonacci extension, we want to see where is the best price to buy Ethereum. This is the May from 2022. Again, high to low, waiting for retrace. And now we can see what happened. You can see first order and second order has filled, You can take third order over there, but we will see will market give us this price. Now you want to see which price you want to sell. So let's see, you buy it 1158. Now you take this low, this high, and this low, and now we take first order over there at second. And let's see, first rejection, we own it, first order field, second order field, you waiting for retrace again, you bought in discount zone, you can wait for more, but if you buy it over there, now we can see where we want to sell. If you loved this video, feel free to join my Discord and Telegram. You have free education in this link. And let's talk about smaller time frames and some good investment opportunities.